Good morning, class. Good morning. How are you today? Yeah, I'm fine too. Thank you for asking me. And first, let me check your attendance. Yes? Full? Thank you. Nina, were you so happy? Yeah, me too, because tomorrow is weekend. Yeah? And now, are you ready for study now? Yes, good. And before we study, it will be better if we are praying together. Praying start. Finish. And yesterday, we have learned about economics. Who remembers the economics? Dimas, who remembers? Remembers? Nina, who remembers? Dian, Asih? Yes, the economy is a science that studies all human behavior that aims to obtain and manage limit research. Yes, good. And Dina, have you prepared? Yes, good. And economics we have a 4 scale of priority. What is 4 scale of priority? Do you know what is? Yes. What? Yes, very important and urgent. The second, important and very urgent. And the third, less important and urgent. And the last, 4 important and urgent. Yes, good. The last? What the last? Yeah, less important and less urgent, so sorry. Dila, have you repeat the 4 of scale priority? Yes. Good job. And now, do you remember of the 4 scale of priority? Yes, good. This is yesterday. And today we study what? Yes, economic activity. Do you have read about economic activity? Who can describe the economic activity? Yeah, Asih, what? Yes, good. The economic activity is the activity of making, providing, buying or selling goods or service. Yes? Understand? Mawar, do you repeat? Have repeated? Yes, good. The economic is all about the activity, yeah, or selling goods or service, yes. And the economic activity have 3 parts. The one, yes, production process, and 2, consumption process, and 3, what? Yes, distribution process. Good. And now we learn about the process of production. Yeah? Understand? Dimas, do you understand? Yeah, good. And the third part of production process is input, and then process, and then output. Yeah. I will examples the process of production. Have you followed your parents to buy a chair? Or have you followed the parents for buy a food, go to restaurant? Yes, good job. Yes, good. Yeah, Nila? Yeah. Yes. If before become a chair, that is? Yes. Good, Icha. This is wood. And the input is what? Yes. Wood. And wood and process become a chair. Yeah? And then if we go to a restaurant, the input is what? What? Yes, vegetable, and beef, and chicken, and what? Yeah, and then this is good process, and the output is good food. Yeah. So the input is wood, and wood process and then become a chair. Yeah. Understand the process of production? Understand? Hello? Understand? Yeah. And then I will give you a question. Give you five the process of production, and the next week you will present in the class, in the form of class. Understand? Yes, at least five, but more is better. Yeah. The input, process, output. Yeah. Input, process, output, and you have in the home you just at least five, but more for better. The production, process, just production process. Yeah, good. Any question, Dimas? Yes, the wood can be chair, table, and any more. Yeah. the examples, the production process again? Yeah, Icha? Can you give me example, the production process? Yeah. This is can. Because if we are food, and if we are eat, and the food, this is from vegetable, beef, chicken, or any more. Yeah. If we are drink, yes, the input of the juice. I will give you a question. If the output is juice, what is input of the output of juice? What? Who? Yes, the input is water. What? And water and fruits. Yeah. If the input is water and fruits, and the process become a juice. Yes? Any question? Or no? Any question? Any question for the production process? Nothing? Oh, good. Next week, the 5 of example, at least 5, but better if more, 10 or more, and you can describe in front of class, yes. And then, any question for the next weeks? And the next weeks, you have read to consumption process, yes? For the next week, we learn about consumption process. Any question? Consumption process? Any question? Consumption process? And any question about production process? Understand? Good. The class is good job. Yeah? And then, because nothing question about production process and the question for next week's, and I think we must repeat what is the economic activity. Icha, what is the economic activity? Yes, good. And then, do you know what is economic activity? What is this? Yes, good. And one more. I will choose Icha. Yes. I will choose Mina. Can you describe the economic activity? Yes, good. And the input, process, and output. Because production process and the economic activity have 3 parts: is production process, and then consumption process, and then the last, what? Yes, distribution process. Good. I think enough, because Nothing question? Yeah? Thank you for today. Good morning.